watching TikTok on your phone is fun, but watching it on TV, that's another story. It's double fun. Hey, what is going on everybody, and I hope everybody's doing good. Today in this short and special tutorial, I'll teach you how you can watch TikTok from your iPhone on your TV, right? Alright, so the first thing first, download TikTok and download another app called Replica. It's a free app. As you can see, I've done this before, so just download it or update it. Once the app is downloaded, that's all you have to do. Also, just make sure your iPhone is connected to internet connection. Alright, now let's jump to the TV. Okay, so this is a tutorial for a Android TV or a Chromecast TV or TV with a Chromecast. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the settings and make sure your TV is connected to mobile hotspot if you're using mobile hotspot, that is, or a Wi-Fi connection if you're using Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So make sure both of the devices are connected to the same connection. Alright, so once that's done, just pop the Replica app, and once you pop it up, it will show you all the nearby TVs in your area. So I got Samsung, I got TCL, I got Roku and stuff. So just click on your TV. Now once you click on your TV, it might ask you to buy it, but don't do this. Trust me, don't buy it. Don't even start the trial. If you look at the top right corner, you will see a icon to exit that screen. Just click on it and it will give you an option to start broadcasting. That's what we want. So just click on start broadcasting. It will take 3 seconds, iPhone rules, and once that's done, voila, there you have it. Now it's time to pop the TikTok and enjoy your TikToks. I love watching TikTok. So yeah, that's it for tutorial. I'll also show you in a bit that how to stop this if you are done watching TikTok, that is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to stop this, you can just click on top left corner. That's the recording screen, and it will ask you to stop. Just click on stop, and that's pretty much it. And you can just repeat again if you just want to watch the TikTok on your TV. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.